Island, Bahamas. Pretty desolate. There's our anchor chain. Sitting at about 12 to 15 feet of water. Clear as day. That is so impressive. It is gorgeous. There's no wind, no swell. It's like a lake, a very, very clear lake. You can see all the little fishies. That's wild. It's gorgeous here. Quiet night on Castle Islands. We are all by ourselves for the first time in a very long time. There's nothing on the land, and there is no one around us. It's pretty cool. Kevin's down there cooking. Making the magic happen. All salmon and broccoli. Not another soul in sight. Castle Island. There's water wings way out there. Definitely the only people here. So much trash on the beach. It's kind of sad. A lot of shoes. A lot of flip-flops and sneakers. Very strange. A lot of plastic. So much plastic. Just washes up on this beautiful beach. Trying to get to that lighthouse over there. I came around there. Kevin's coming from up there. Yeah! Oh, we might be able to actually get there. We weren't sure. We are literally the only ones on this island. We're headed to the abandoned lighthouse. This is pretty cool. Might be a chance. Gosh, I don't know if you can tell the color of this water. It is so clear. You can see the bottom easily in like 10 meters. Not much in it though, not a lot of fish, but freaking gorgeous. Yeah.
Okay, and before we do that, well, I guess we can take it up more. Oh. Stop, stop, stop. We might already be there.
Yeah.
Do me a favor, let it out a little bit. Can you see up?
Oh yeah, that's way up.
Yeah, can you let it out a few inches? Just like 2 or 3 inches. A little more. All right, right there. Boom, that's
I wonder
set.
where the mark went.
Yeah, it might have rubbed off too. All right, and if you'll take a bunch of tack line to start with. Keep good, keep going. All right, stop there. And if you'll get on the sheet. I just realized before we do that, can we put the motors at like 400 RPM? All right, take a bunch of excess glue. All right, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Okay, sheet in. All right, stop. Boom. Set.
Nice. That's good.
Yeah.
Early morning rise. We just left Castle Island. Heading northwest up to Crooked Island. Got the spinnaker flying today. And light winds. Haven't flown her since the Atlantic crossing. Good to see her up. She looks good. Up, no problem. Another beautiful day for sailing. Could use a little more wind. All right, come on. All right, ready?
Yep.
Wait, not ready. All right, ready?
Go for it.
Oh, I'm getting wrapped in a hug. A spinnaker hug.
All right, hold on, hold on. All right, give me a sec. I gotta let the line go.
I think I'm down. We're definitely gonna need more tack.
All yours.
How do I get this in the bag?
What's up?
How do I get this in the
You
bag?
stuff the bottom and then essentially fold the.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, well, you gotta pull. I mean, we gotta start lowering the halyard for it. Yeah. Let me know when you're ready for that.
I'm ready for a little bit.
Okay. You're gonna have to pull.
Hang on a sec. Okay.
More?
So much for the wind today. It's like a pond. No wind. Crazy. The water is so calm, you can't even tell we're moving through it. It's just blue. We're gonna be focused. Crazy. Look at that. Like a lake.
Oh my God.
Shark sighting. Looks like two of them with the shadow.
Oh my God, look at the shots. He's feeding too. Oh, there are two of them.
What?
Two of them.
There are two. Two sharks. Oh my God, you can kind of see them in the video. That's so cool. Come over here. He brought a friend.
Yeah. Oh, it's like, is it a cuda?
Oh, wow. My God, there's like 40 of them. sightings of sharks.